Good morning and welcome to the new Health and Care Academy in Powys on the Bronllys site. We're here in the Basil Webb building today and really excited to share some of the developments that have been happening over the last 6 months. So this is the main flexible space in Basil Webb, and as you can see, we furnished it with comfortable areas that people can come and do research. They can use it as an opportunity to meet on a one-to-one basis, book out some of the books that we've got available, and actually it can be also used as a secondary conference space where we'll have digital technology that will talk to some of the other spaces within the Academy. This space is our plenary space, and again it's a great space that we can use for mini seminars. The facility will be digitally connected to a variety of other sites where we can have virtual learners learning together in a collective environment. So this room is one of our main conference facility rooms. It's quite a relaxed space where we will hold a variety of training, development and skills opportunities through the Academy. We've got also as well an area where we will be able to loan out literature and books, and people can come and research from this space here.